Hey guys, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change a waste cartridge on a Xerox VersaLink C7030. Change this out. It's pretty simple. The first thing you'll do is open the front cover, and right up front is your waste cartridge, or R5. Now to take that waste cartridge out, you're going to roll this orange latch to the unlock position, and then at the top of the cartridge there's two latches with orange stickers on top. You'll take your two fingers, push down on those latches, and roll that waste cartridge out and away. And there is your waste cartridge. All right, when you get your new waste cartridge, you're gonna take it, and it sits right down on the bottom here in these black little foot holders. Seat it right into those feet, and then you'll roll the whole cartridge up into place. Make sure you give it a good push because you want to latch both of those top latches. They'll both click in place. Then you'll come over here to the left and you'll put the orange latch back into the locked position like that, and then you'll close your front cover and you're done. Thanks for watching these videos. If you'd like to see more videos on this same model, click right here. I want to give a big shout out to all of our viewers. We just hit 300 subscribers and we're super excited about it. So if you find these videos helpful in any way, please make sure and like and subscribe if you're not already.